So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished doing a repair out at the well. Piping had cut loose under the slab. It looks like what they had done is when they put together the 1.5 PVC and glued it on here, they didn't hold it in place, so it backed out, and eventually you get a leak down here. So anyways, we just cut it down low, and then of course 1.5 90, 1.5 by 1.25 bushing, and then we went to schedule 80 PVC pipe, 1.25 coming up, 1.25 schedule 80 PVC 90. It's wrapped already, and this is just pipe cut and glued, 45, and then a pipe with threaded side, and then a brand new ball valve. This is a FNW valve. It's a ProFlow right out of Ferguson, and so right now the water is on from the holding tank to the irrigation, and of course up to this valve it is on. I can't turn it on yet because the glue's still drying down here. We want to let it dry, and then also in here we want to let this dry out quite a bit. So you got quite a bit of the soil is sandy, and then you got some water down in here. You want to let it dry as much as possible, and then just fill it with pea gravel. Fill it, don't dump it on top of the pipe. Clear out as much of the muck as you can from underneath, and then just fill it and let it settle underneath. That the pea gravel, similar to what you've got out in your yard, that'll settle real nice underneath, and of course come up about 6 inches above the horizontal piping down there just to support it. Same thing when you go to fill in here. You don't want to start filling it in and then take your foot and step right here and start pushing this pipe back and forth. You don't want to do that. So it's kind of a gentle process. It is rigid pipe coming over here, but you can see it's almost rusted all the way through. So just be gentle with it. Pour it full of gravel, get it up, and then let this dirt dry out. Then you can fill it with dirt when you're done. But for right now, just let it sit out and dry. We're gonna leave this pipe in place right there. Right now it's kind of helping support the piping. And like I say, there's no more leaking in here right now. This pipe by code now should be 6 inches above slab, and you can see it's not. But we're gonna give you a price on replacing a lot of this piping in here, or all this piping, with the exception of maybe the backflow, the check valve. And this piece of pipe are in good shape, but starting to get that T in the U and whatnot. So anyways, we'll document that in a minute. Outside of that, this installation is done.